Hey y'all, yes honey, we are bleaching these knots today. This is another video and I have some wonderful hair from VIP Beauty. Of course, we're making the wig by machine because doing it by hand is just so played out at this moment. We don't have time for that. We're making wigs in 30 minutes or less. Moving along, adding the tracks to the dome cap. You guys know this routine already. If you don't know it, you need to get to know it. Get to know your machine. Get to know the machine. Get to know the steps. Get to know the skill set. Get to know it because making a wig by hand is just so tedious. Makes your back hurt, make your fingers hurt, make everything hurt. This is just so quick and it's fun as well. Using a sewing machine is literally like driving a car. You have a pedal, you can alternate your speeds, whatever you're comfortable with. Wherever direction you want to go, just tell the machine and it will follow your every step. This is not a hard thing to do. You can make way more money, spend less time making the wig. You can make more wigs in one day with the machine than by hand, and it comes out so much neater, so detailed, so precise, and I just love the way it looks. The wig is complete. This is the inside of the wig. The frontal is already attached. I just need y'all to get into it. Who doesn't want a wig that looks as neat as this? Anyway, I'm just brushing the hair out because what I'm going to do is an asymmetrical blunt cut. When you're using curly hair, you want to be sure to comb out all the kinks and all the curls so you can have an even cut. I'm going to do a side part. I'm going to part the side. And if you haven't seen my styling video on a custom unit, this is what I showed you guys, how to cover the tracks with your frontal. That's absolutely necessary, whether you're making a wig or you're doing a sew-in. Then I'm going to pluck a little bit. I also have a plucking video. My plucking technique has not changed. Once I switch up my techniques, that's when I will do another video in detail, but my technique is still the same. So feel free to check that out. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys for joining along. Enjoy the ride. And go check out my older videos. It's so much great things in the video, so much great information, so much great things that I'm showing that you can learn from. Go tune into those. They're older, but they are not less worthy. It's time to cut. It's time to cut. The shears that I'm using only cost me $15. Yeah, I know there are some fancy scissors and shears and cutters and whatever you want to call them out there. But I got these from Walmart for only like $12 to $15. They're made by Conair, and I absolutely love Conair. There are some things that I use that are very, very expensive, and there are most things that I use that are very affordable, and you can find them at your local beauty supply store, Walmart, Target, Walgreens, CVS. The list goes on. But back to this cutting. Once you get over to the opposite side of the neck that you started, you're going to start to go in a downwards motion because you want to have an asymmetrical cut. Then you're going to lift the wig up and cut underneath all of the straggly hairs. I really like this hair so far. The only thing that I can say is the lace frontal does not match the bundles perfectly, but it'll work. Now what I'm doing is applying some Gots to Be gel because I don't want to use glue for this unit today. There we have it. The wig is complete. The install is complete. I am really loving this. And somebody commented and said Germany must have a different sun because my skin is glowing. Totally different. But thank you guys once again for all of the wonderful comments, all of the support you've given me thus far. Stay along for the ride because this is only the beginning. I love you guys so much and stay tuned for the next video.